Okay guys, I wasn't gonna film this, but I'm doing the oil change on it because I told you I think there was a lot of gas in there. I couldn't even really read it on the stick because it was so thinned out with gas. So I was draining the oil out, and I'm using my 7-quart drain pan. The car takes 5 quarts, and I had to put the plug back in partway through because the 7-quart pan is already full. So I went and got a bucket, and I'm going to pour that in there, and we're going to drain out some more. So there was a lot of gas in that oil. I'll finish this up, and I'll show you guys in a minute. All right, look how thin that oil is. Probably shouldn't have been running it as much as I was with the oil diluted down like that so bad, but it'll be all right. Okay, so here's that bucket. That's all the oil I took out besides what I spilled on the floor. I probably spilled a half a quart on the floor. So I'll pour that out into the gallon jug so we can kind of measure it a little bit better, see how far over full it was. Okay, so because there's so much gas in there, I'm guessing there was probably 8 or 9 quarts in the engine. So it was 4 or 5 quarts over, and that's all gas. I got some random oil here that I used in my old Razor, because that's what they called for aftermarket wise. I'm gonna run that through the engine first, and then I'll drain it out again, and then we'll go ahead and put the correct oil in it, and then I'll change the filter at that time. I just kind of want to flush the gas out of there a little bit better. So I'm gonna get to it. It's on full with the right oil, new filter. Problem is, I thought I videoed changing the filter because it's kind of weird. Most cars have a spin-on filter underneath. This has a cartridge filter, which you'll see is right there, that black nut-looking thing. That is the oil filter. So we got that changed out. It's kind of in a weird spot, kind of hard to get to. Probably a special tool to do that. So that means we can cross one